Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be showing you how to create a visual video from script using Pictory AI. To do this, here are a few steps to follow. Here on our Pictory homepage, we're going to go over to the top area where we have text to video. After clicking on it, you will see this page where you get to put in your video name and also to type your script or paste your script right here. Now we have a script with a title Sweat, Smile and Succeed. This is a video and exercise. So we're going to put in the title here, and also we're going to paste in our script right here. We can use a Ctrl V or use the paste from clipboard. Great. Now we have the name of our video and we have a script pasted. Next, we're going to go over to proceed and click on it. We need to give Pictory some moments in order to do this. Awesome. Right here, Pictory has generated different scenes and different pictures and videos for each scene. Using videos and graphics, we now have our video from our script. Now, before we download it, we have an option to add more details in order to customize our video. For example, we can go over to the sidebar where we have some options for editing. We can go over to audio to add an audio. And right here, we have different options for audio. We have the option for background music, voiceover, or you can upload your voiceover for this video. For the background music, we could choose any we want. There are lots of options here, so you could choose any. And you can see that the first one already is applied. If you don't like this one, you could go over to applied, click on the X to cancel it, and come over to the other one which you like and click on apply. Next, we're going to go over to the voiceover, where we have lots of premium voices to be used. You can click on play to audition any of these voices, and if you find the one you like, you can click on generate and apply. You'll also see the name of the voice, see if it's male or female, and also see the description below to have a detail about this voice. We're going to go with the first one.
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on.
Very good. So we can click on generate and apply, and this will apply this voiceover to your video. And now we just need to wait for it to complete. And now you can see that the voiceover is applied with this notification right here. We could also preview the voiceover according to what the scene is showing.
In a world of endless distractions, one hero rises above them all to transform lives. Exercise.
Great. Now with all of this done, the background music or voiceover or using your uploads, you now have your video from your script. And what is left is to go over to the download button and click on download. And on this page, you will see a two-step process to complete your download. The first is to process the scenes, and the second is to generate the video which you want to download. If you'd like to continue with other things, you can click on run in the background. And now you can see that your video is now ready. The video will be saved in your projects and you can download it into your local device. Now when we click on it, we can see the video is currently downloading. And the result?
In a world of endless distractions, one hero rises above them all to transform lives. Exercise. Yes, we're talking about getting fit and feeling fantastic. Here are some fitness tips to start your journey.
Great. And now we have our video from script using Pictory AI. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.